So, a couple months ago, I redid my little office area, and the beauty of painting and stenciling is that you can always change it. And if you're anything like me, I love switching up my areas just to keep me on my toes. And now I kind of want something a little more cozy, and I think I'm gonna go for a beautiful, like, whitewash brick wall kind of look, and I'm super excited about it. If you want to see how it turns out, then keep watching. So I loved how my wall looked before, but it's time for some change, and I'm going to be painting my base color this beautiful light gray color called Alpaca. Love the name, it's so fun. And I'm beginning by just cutting in my walls around the trim, the edges, and against the ceiling. Then with a large roller, I just filled in the rest of the areas that needed to be covered. Although it was sad covering up that old pattern because I loved it so much, it just made me even more excited for my new pattern that I was about to create. The stencil I'm using is just the grout lines that you would see on like a normal tile floor, but I think it's going to be super interesting applying it to the wall. This is also not your typical brick pattern wall. It's usually just lined up side by side, and this one has a circular layout, and I think it's just gonna add to the uniqueness. I picked the light gray as my base color and wanted white grout lines just because I feel like that would give more of a whitewash brick wall look, and I think that's exactly what I got from this. I love having patterns run into corners of walls because it just really creates this cozy little nook. This specific stencil has these X marks as your registration marks, and it makes it so easy to line up your pattern straight. After the first couple stencils, it was smooth sailing, and I got this wall done so quickly. Once you're all done stenciling, just grab your base color and cover up those registration marks, and you're good to go. This has become the coziest little work area I could ever ask for. I love how the grays go with the white grout lines. I think it just looks so amazing. I also love that the stencil itself had that distressed faded brick to it, and I just love the outcome of the whole entire wall. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.